the piston visually for cracks, damages, or deformation. If it's in a reusable condition, then measure the outer diameter of the piston with a micrometer. Measure at the specified distance from the lower edge of the skirt. Measure the outer diameter at a right-angled direction with the piston pin axis. Refer to the shop manual for the standard value and service limit. Some of the pistons may be oversized. Please refer to the shop manual also for the standard value and service limit of an oversized piston. Visually check that there is no abnormal wear or damage on the inside wall of the cylinder to see if the cylinder is reusable. Then, measure the inner diameter of the cylinder with a cylinder bore gauge and dial indicator to see if the value of the inner diameter and taper are within the range of the standard value. Measure the diameter in 2 directions at right angles, and measure at 3 different heights of top, middle, and bottom of the sliding section of the piston. The standard value and the service limit are indicated in the shop manual, following the piston outer diameter. Calculate the piston-to-cylinder clearance by subtracting the piston diameter from the cylinder inner diameter. Use the maximum value of the cylinder inner diameter among the measured values. The piston and cylinder are reusable if the value of the clearance is within the standard.